what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Nestruction. There you go, Nestruction. Well, you guys seen in the last video, got NFT back on the dyno. Made 4 solid more solid pulls. I said passes again. Made 4 solid pulls. Engine was doing great though. Engine's great. Engine sound. Started at wastegate, low boost, which is like 30 psi ish. Started working our way up. It was doing great. Our 4th pull, which was our last pull, unfortunately, we put down 909, as you guys saw, at like 53 psi, which is not as great as an improvement as I thought I was going to see, but it's an improvement. So new head, full CNC ported, new turbo, next gen 7685. So we practically almost made the same amount of power. It was like down 10 horsepower. Made the same amount of power on like 7 or 8 less psi than the previous dyno on the old head and then the Gen 2 7685. So you would think there'd be a bigger improvement, which we may see, or we maybe would have seen if we were going higher into the turbo efficiency band, I guess if you want to say. So the Gen 2, we weren't, I mean, like guys have put down like 80 psi with that turbo, especially on Supras. But this thing, we're having so many head gasket issues, we weren't able to really get it above 60 psi, which I'm not really wanting to play too much with fire above that. I don't know, I guess I'm just gun shy with all these head gasket issues. But we got a fresh decked head on there. It's, you know, you guys seen in the last video, it's good to go. But yeah, I thought we are gonna see a little bit better numbers. But anyways, so add a little bit more duty cycle. We're aiming for like mid to high 50 psi range for the 5th pull. Well, started off the pull, first, second, went to go grab 3rd gear, and as soon as I threw it in 3rd gear, it made a weird noise. And I was like, what the hell? So I pulled it out, went to go drop it into 2nd, and 2nd was fine. So I went to go put it back into 3rd, no 3rd gear. Went to go try grab 4th gear, no 4th gear. I was like, well, shit. So stopped, checked 1st and 2nd, and in reverse, there's no 5th gear since it's a dog box. And 1st and 2nd were good, reverse was good, so I was like, well, clutch is fine. I was like, it's definitely something inside the transmission on the 3/4 gear stack. So I was like, it's gotta be the hub and slider, the slider assembly, not pretty much engaging the teeth. So, got home, didn't do nothing all week on the car anyways. It's today, present time, I'm working on the car. I got the transmission out. I did not record any me pulling the tranny out. I just kind of got to work and I was like, I need to record this. Like always, content, right? Whether some people like to watch it or not, I'm gonna put it out there. But anyways, started getting the tranny apart, and then we come across these pieces. So that's the engagement for the 3rd and 4th, and then it also broke this piece off of the transmission right here, which I don't really think that's that big of a deal. I'm gonna reach out to a couple people and see if they see that causing any issues, but I don't know. I don't really think it's gonna cause an issue. I just broke that piece off clean. Nothing happened with the outside of the case. It wasn't leaking or nothing. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I found those sitting up here. One was kind of wedged in a little bit, but I don't see any teeth really broken on any of the gears. So we may be good on the gears for now. But what I'm going to do is I got to pull this bottom half off so that way we get the clusters and all that stuff out. So got a little late on the cameras. We'll start getting to work, but I got a time lapse rolling, so you guys will be able to see me pull apart the rest of the stuff, and then we'll check back in if we find more destruction. Well, fellas, we found a little bit more damage than I was hoping. So, more likely going to need a 3rd and 4th gear, plus the hub and slider, plus the shift fork. I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to reach out to some people that have done this before and see what could have caused it. I mean, I guess it's just wear and tear over time. I don't know. It's just I shifted so easy going into 3rd. It's just, I mean, the transmission was feeling. Every time I'd go and do like a test drive, these last dynos, we haven't been in the track. I remember the last time we went to the track was, but just doing the test drives around the block, and the dyno, third gear has been feeling a little funny. Well, now we know why it's been feeling a little funny. So I didn't think something like this catastrophic was going to happen, and it's not like the gear stripped out. I mean, that's just a result of, I guess, just shifting. So whether it was injured from Dave and just it was able to last, and obviously me a couple passes, I mean, it's just, I guess that just had a failure. We had a failure in the parts, so we'll see how soon I can get these parts here. There's supposed to be a track rental down in Pueblo next week, but I don't know if I'm gonna make that. I mean, like, it doesn't take me long to get the transmission back together, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get PPG parts within a couple days. Maybe, we'll see. I'll have to reach out, hit up some contacts, and see what we can do. So that's the aftermath of the dyno. Like I said, the engine's good. Now we got this tranny mess to deal with, which, I mean, honestly, I'd rather be kind of dealing with this as opposed to another head gasket. So I think we got the head gasket issue fixed. This is just wear and tear items that need to be good. The 1 and 2 look great. I inspected those. Those are fine. So I'm just going to get a new 3rd and 4th and a shift fork hub and slider. So get those parts coming. And then we'll get NFT back up and running, man. I want to try to get some hits down the track before the season's over here in Colorado. Will we make it? I don't know. We're running out of time, but we're going to give it our best. So, NFT update, transmission failure. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. And we're getting up there on subscribers. I know it's only a couple hundred, but still, I'm digging it. I'm happy about it. Before you know it, we'll be at a couple thousand. I'll be stoked. So, you know, share the channel with your buddies. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. It helps get this into people's recommended feeds. And like I said, I got some big plans if this ever got big, as far as being able to help the car community and stuff. But that's down the road. I'm not even going to put that out there, but it's just a goal that I have, that if this gets to a point to where I want it to get to, then we're going to make some stuff happen. It's going to be sweet. So anyways, we'll keep you guys updated. We'll keep the content rolling. When I get parts in, when we do stuff, you know, we'll be filming it all. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Catch you guys on the next one.